Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Promoters of Big Wall Disassociate Themselves from shooting incident. In a social media post on Monday, the organizers stated that the incident does not reflect the standards, spirit or values of the event, which they have built over more than a decade. They added that the event provides a safe, inclusive and world-class carnival experience with an unblemished record of safety and professionalism. They also extended an apology to those involved in the incident. According to reports, the annual Aftermath Fest, which was being held at Police Officers Club on Hope Road in St. Andrew, erupted into mayhem, leaving vlogger and content creator Jay Frey among 3 men being treated in hospital for bullet wounds. The police said one of the men is in critical condition. Meanwhile, vlogger and music producer Javel Morrison, also known as Javi, has been arrested in relation to the incident. Now, from throwing hands to issuing an apology, social media influencer Rich Rush at the center of drama. Over the weekend, the 29-year-old who was in Jamaica for Carnival Week was ticking off the event as one of 30 things to do before her 30th birthday. However, she found herself adding a dose of drama to the bucket list. Now, footage shows the influencer in a heated confrontation with another party at the AC Hotel in Kingston before assaulting the young man. He later retaliated by striking her. The man involved in the incident later issued a video apology to Rich Rush, which she reposted to her Instagram. The matter is currently under investigation by the police. Now, on the international scene, Britney Spears is voluntarily seeking unspecified treatment in a facility. The singer's representative confirmed that she has checked herself in. It comes shortly after she was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence last month. Spears has a long history with mental health struggles and was under a conservatorship for several years that ended in 2021. Since then, the toxic singer has erratically posted bizarre content on social media that has concerned some fans. Her camp says this treatment might be the first step in overdue change that has been needed in her life. Now, Las Vegas parade honors Bruno Mars with the street renaming and key to the city. The Grammy-winning artist was given the key to the Las Vegas Strip, while Park Avenue outside Park MGM was renamed Bruno Mars Drive. He joins a decorated group to receive the honor, including Elvis Presley, Frank Sinatra, Sammy Davis Jr., and Dean Martin. April 10 was also renamed Bruno Mars Day in Sin City. CEO and president of MGM Resorts International, William Hornbuckle, said Bruno Mars isn't just a global superstar. He's one of the most electrifying performers of our time, and over the past decade, he's become an integral part of Las Vegas. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.